Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing a full face of products that I have never tried before. So if you want to see how I made this look, let's ignore the butterflies for now. You'll see later at the end it was a hassle to get these in. I had a vision, didn't work out. Let's get started. I'm gonna clip these pieces up out of the way. We look even crazier now, that's great. So first I'm going to moisturise using the same moisturisers I used in my Dove video. This is the Florence by Mills Up in the Clouds Face Moisturiser. Yeah, and this is the cerave Moisturizing Cream. Yeah. I feel like I don't even... I know what I'm doing, you know what I mean? Like, I know the video I'm making. But I don't know what I'm going to talk about during it. I've just realised I haven't picked up any brow products, so that's fun. So considering I've never used any of these products, this is going to be so exciting. So this is the Milk Makeup Blur Stick. It looks like this. Cute. Do you twist this up? My sister's bought this and it doesn't even actually look like she's used it like ever. I'm pretty sure you're not meant to put it on straight on top of moisturizer, but so I'm just gonna apply this. Okay, yeah, I kind of see. Look at this. I'm using my phone to film today. I'm gonna pat over all of that with my finger. I might film one and then upload it, and then if you guys hate it, you hate it, and if you like it, you like it. I don't have my phone. I might see if I have my phone and try that. I think it'd be really cool. So I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Foundation. This is the shade 3 Fair Pale. Might not be my shade because it's my sister's, but I've never used this. Oh, I think I was meant to show. So I feel like a lot of people did this trend ages ago, but I've just decided that I was going to join in now because I don't think I've probably done this before, but different products. That one pump has literally just done that part of my page. But look at it. The whole Dove video I was looking at the screen, and this video I feel like I'm looking at the screen a lot. I'm purposely trying to focus on looking at the camera. I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer. Looks like this. This is the shade 170. Again, I don't know if it's going to match. It's probably not going to match. You've seen how droopy this eye is compared to this eye because I meant to wear glasses. Oh, wow, okay. This is very creamy. Don't know why I said it like that, but I did. Let's do the whole cute, yeah. I'm gonna put it on like this part of my chin and then I'll blend it. Again, I looked at the wrong thing. I'm gonna put it on this part of my chin and then I'll blend it up into a part because I don't want to. This is my sister's concealer, and if the spot does become infected, I don't want to ruin her concealer, you know what I mean? But this lighting is so bad. I'm so sorry, it's because I've got a window here. Well, you can tell because there's this thing here, there's the window there. And it's like 3 PM on a Monday. And if I film facing the window, there's windows behind me as well, so I just get terrible like backlighting too. A lot of these products are high-end products that my sister's bought, and like I'm not allowed to usually touch, but she doesn't know I'm making this, so we'll just pretend I'm not. This is the Charlotte's Genius Magic Powder Under Eye and Face. it with me. Try this. I'm gonna use the thing to set under the eye. Oh, see, it looks like a pink colour in the... Sorry, I'm getting distracted. The container. Right, I'll show you in a second. Like, it's pretty pink, but it's like white when it goes on the eyes. See? I was gonna powder my full face, but I have cream highlighters to use. So I'm gonna use these first because I don't know how to layer over powder. These are the Iconic London highlighting. This is the Iconic London highlighting trio. Look how pretty are those colours. I don't know how I'm gonna use any of these. I'm gonna have to try and use this one because I don't think the others will be light enough. I'm gonna take a little brush and some more of that powder, and I'm just really gonna like get the powder in the brush and then put the excess in there, and then I'm just gonna powder the face using patting motion. I'm gonna spray all that using the Milk Hydrogrip Set and Refresh Spray. I don't know if this is actually a setting spray, but we're pretending it is because it's the only one I haven't tried. Okay. Oh. It smells like, it smells like plasters. Like if you open... See, my voice flits because I get nervous and I talk in different voices. If you open a plaster, that's what it smells. It smells like plasters. That's, my brain is confused now. This is the Rose Quartz Huda Beauty Eyeshadow Palette. So cute. So we're gonna try do some form of like cute little look because I have these little butterflies that I want to put in my hair. That's why I spend hours doing this to it. So I think we're gonna take maybe this shade first, all over the lid. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, let's put this up here too, in the crease. You guys can't even see this. You see that shade? No, probably not. To use Serenity or Happiness. I use Happiness, which is this shade here, and we're gonna stamp that here, blend it through. I can't decide between the shade Moon Magic and the shade Joy, so I think I'm going to put the shade Moon Magic. I might have been better off with the shade Joy. That's cute. We're gonna do the other eye and I'll come back. So this is the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes Mascara. So we have the curl and length and the volume. So I think we'll do the curl and length first and then the volume side. I'm not curling my lashes because I recently had a lash lift. I'm not sure. My lashes just aren't holding up that great after it this time. Usually I sprayed that with spray. The setting spray all over my mirror and now look at the state of it. Actually, we're not going to do lashes just because I want to put the blush on and then reset my face again. Bronzer. We're going to use the LA Splash Cosmetics Moonlight Glow Face Palette. It has like bronzer in it. I'm gonna use this. I've not used powder bronzer in ages. So this is actually just bronzer, not even contour. So we're just going for it. Add a bit of bronze to the face. There was all these beauty gurus for years telling you to blend in circular motions, and now everyone's telling us to tap, and I'm like, what do I do? Do I swirl or do I tap? A clean brush, because I usually use the other one of this, I have two of them, for cream blush, so we're going to use the other one. This is the Nars Orgasm X blush. Looks like this. I haven't tried this yet, but apparently it's really good, so it's meant to be a pretty colour. Oh, it's pigmented. Wow. Spray the face. Again, using the plaster spray, we'll call it. Make sure there's no mirrors inside. Back to the mascara we were talking about. And I also haven't curled my lashes, so we're gonna see the reality of this mascara. Okay, let's use the other side as well. Because the other side's ginormous. I mean, it's not bad. And then we have one last product, which is this Charlotte Tilbury Lip thing. It's called Refresh Rose. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh no. Wow, does this smell like a lip plumper? It's definitely a plumping lip gloss. I'm going for us. I mean, pretty sure it's the wrong shade foundation. We don't have brows on, but we're just going to pretend that it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. We don't need brows. Who needs brows? Not me. I don't have brows. Right, that goes back there. These pieces were separated. I kind of like it. I like all the products, except for the smell of the scent spray. That's really irritating. But yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Love you guys. Bye.